Hey guys, it's your girl T and welcome back to my channel.
Alright. You just flew in from Lagos and all I wanna do is chill with you.
My name is TONIA OKOLIE if you're watching for the very first time. So basically today I'm going to be showing you guys the best of the best foundation, in my opinion, that's good for combination skin. I actually have combination skin, and mostly the parts that are oily are here, the T-zone. So it's like here and here, my nose, like all around here. The dry areas of my face are around here. So with that said, here is the best foundation I discovered for combination skin. So this is it. This is the Revlon Colorstay foundation. It's in the shade 440 Mahogany. This foundation is said to be for combination / oily skin. Let's check out what the whole foundation is all about. It says it's a 24-hour wear foundation. It's for combination / oily skin. It contains active ingredients, titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, all those things. It's said to have a flawless matte finish. It contains SPF 15, which is really good, which is really good for your skin. This foundation comes in 43 shades, so there's a lot of variety, there's a lot of shade range. One thing I love about this foundation is that it comes with a pump. I'm going to be applying the foundation with a brush on this side and with a beauty blender on this side. So let's see how the foundation blends out. I took 5 pumps. I'm going to blend that. So this is the side with the foundation and this is the side without the foundation. So it has like a sheen to it, like a glow underneath, you know. Or is it just my skin? It's not full coverage, it's actually medium because I can still see the dark circles underneath my eye, a little bit of hyperpigmentation around my lips. Aside from that, everything seems okay. Yeah, everything seems okay. I can apply like 1 to 2 pumps because this foundation is actually buildable. So if I apply 1 to 2 pumps, I'm sure everything will be fine. So I'm going to do that for you guys so you can see. To be honest, I prefer blending my foundation with my brush than with a beauty blender. I actually go in with my brush first and then I use my beauty blender after using the brush. So yeah, it's fine. You can actually go out like this, like it's okay. It's covered now to the best of its ability. I'm going to apply the foundation on this side of my face with a beauty blender. This is the side with the beauty blender and this is the side with the brush. It's not exactly matte when you apply it, but maybe it will oxidize and become matte, but immediately after you finish applying it, it has this sheen to it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up my makeup, like do my brows, eyeshadow and all of that, and see how the foundation holds. It's looking really nice. Like, it's so nice. It's blended in. This is the part with the beauty blender and this is the part with the brush. This look is amazing. If you want to know how to create this look, go ahead and check out my channel. I have a video on this look. But I think this foundation is actually great. The finish is matte. So when I was saying it has a sheen to it, it does have a little bit of a sheen to it, but it's like powder on my skin. I hope this review was good for you guys and you could decide on getting this foundation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, you guys. I need to reach 1K by the end of this year. Before the end of this year, please like this video, please share this video to your friends, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. I love you guys so much, and bye.